Happy New Year, everybody. If you haven't been to the channel before, my name's Trevor, and we are on the Vette channel today. My Corvette, I have a 1997 Corvette, and it is still wrapped with Christmas paper. Currently on my lunch hour here, and driving to grab some food. And everybody is just like, what in the world? Christmas over, Trevor, get it off of there. They're all looking, and I just put a smile on my face. But today, we're going to be talking about 2019 and my goals for the Corvette. We might go ahead and try and unwrap the Corvette today too. Knock that out, because this weekend is supposed to be nice, supposed to be about 62, and lately it's been 40 and below. So really looking forward to wash the car, get it cleaned up, and prepare for the car season this year, which is something else I'll do an update in another video about my Cars and Coffee event. So let's get into the gasoline. So this year, one of my big goals is to wrap the entire Corvette, and not just in Christmas wrapping paper. So I've got a couple ideas on what I want to do, but I'm not 100% sure, and it depends on if I'll be able to afford it and do it how I want it to be done. I want to say on my Instagram story a while back, I did post some color ideas out there, so you may already have an idea of what I'm thinking about, but I'm not going to spoil it for anybody. And if you missed it, you need to go follow my Instagram, and I post on there daily, so check it out. I post on my story some insider stuff too. So if you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me. Now, besides a wrap, I would really love to get some new wheels, but I'm having a hard time with wheels too, because either everybody already has those or has done them, or they're too popular. And what I really want to do is get them colored blue, which might not fit with my wrap depending on how I do it, but we'll see. So I've thought about doing like some C6 Z06 wheels. C7s would look pretty sick too, and then paint them blue. It would look pretty good with the white. But if I'm gonna wrap it, I might have to do something different. Besides wheels, I have to get tires, so that's my main priority, is to get tires. And if I can afford to get wheels, I'll just do a big combo deal right there and get it done. Otherwise, I'll just get the tires for right now, get wheels later, and then wrap it. Then there are some other little mods that I'd like to do, such as I want to finish the front end LED swap that I've been working on. I've got the switchback LEDs and the side marker LEDs up for the front, and they're on the back too. I want to get the LED headlights high beam and low beam, because it would just make my front end look a whole lot better at night. Right now I can't really stand how it looks because I got that dingy looking headlight and then that nice crisp LED. And I get all my LED lights from Vette lights. I do have a 10% discount in the description for them. So if you guys are looking for LEDs, you can check them out. But we're gonna go ahead and cut it here for right now. I'm gonna get my food, eat, and we'll pick right back up. Alright, so I didn't get to finish off my video. I actually went to lunch, went back to work, finished my day, and now it's Saturday. I just unwrapped the Corvette. If you want to see a video on that, go check out my Instagram at Arctic Vette, and it's going to be my IGTV, so check that out. And right now, we're going to get the pressure washer out. I'm going to set the camera up, and I got something new to show you guys. I can't wait. So I'm going to find somewhere to put my phone, set up my camera, so you guys come along.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
That guy drives a Corvette. That actually works pretty well. Not bad for an Amazon foam cannon. Alright. Now, I should probably honestly go scrub that. But I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Well, that only took forever, so you guys know what the deal is. If you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Does it look better without Christmas wrapping paper all over it? Or do you like the Christmas wrapping paper more? Anyways, have a great night. We'll catch you in the next video.